Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I am doing a little resin project. This is a 40cm circular canvas, which I've never done anything on a circle before, I don't think. I opened this resin last year and it has to be used within 12 months, so I'm going to get using some more of my resin, and I wanted to try doing a swipe using paper. To see if I can get lacing in my resin using titanium white. So I've got a blue palette here and I want to try a bit of this bronze highlight. Now I've just opened this and it's not really the bronze I was thinking it was going to be. It looks copper to me, so I'm going to add a little bit of gold to it, see if I can get it to be more of a bronzy color. So let's get started. Okay, I've got my mask, got all my gear on. I've got my canvas level and I've got my colours mixed. Just noticing with the gold and the copper I'm blended together, so gold and bronze. The bronze does seem to trickle up, so I don't know if it's a different weight of pigment. So the three blues I've got here, this is a midnight blue, I've got tidal blue and steel blue, and then I've got a pearl white and a titanium white with my metallic here. I want the dark blue on the outside, and then I'm going to swipe out. I think I don't want to swipe from one edge. Maybe I want to swipe from here and across. I don't know. Let's just give it a go. Such a pretty colour, this one. I've left a little bit in there and I'm just going to spread it with my finger. I have taped the edge of my canvas. So I'm already 14 minutes in, and this has got a 40-minute working time. Now if this doesn't work out, the good news is I can just put another layer of resin on top and create another design. We'll just see how it goes. I do want to put the white through the middle. I might actually put a bit of this down now and blend that in a bit. Do I want to meet up? I feel like I do. But I want to save a little bit of this. Let's just see if we can wet the whole canvas. Okay, just going to torch that. Alright, I'm going to put my white through the middle here now. The swiping. And then my colours on the sides. I'm going to put some of the tidal colour, tidal blue. Some of the steel blue. Something like that, I think. That's not what I was going to do. I was going to anyway, doesn't matter. Alright, let's try our paper swipes and see how it goes. I'm going to put a bit extra here. Is it a hair? I don't think so. Right, so that didn't really work. Now I think it might be because it needs to be warmed up. Now I'm going to try again with smaller piece from this direction. Not sure about it. I'm going to get a palette knife. And try swiping the way I know how. We have got a little bit happening through there. That's interesting. So maybe it works better over the dark blue. So, should we put a little bit of this through now? Some pretty cells popping up there now. Might do a little bit more of that. That time have I got? 10 minutes. No, should have done that. Do I want to do any more of the highlights? I think I do. little bit of blending there. I might leave that bit. Alright. Okay, I've just propped this up again. I've made a colour to try and match in, and I'm going to paint my sides. So first of all, I need to take my tape off. And I'm going to use my heat gun, heat up the resin on the edges. If you can see that there. Heat up the resin on the edges, and it should come off quite easily. Fingers crossed. Okay, here is the finished result of the resin piece, and there's some really pretty parts to this. I'm really liking this bit through here, and there's some more sort of bubbly effects in a few different spots. The lacing didn't turn out too bad. I was getting better at it as I went along. I'm going to show you the shine on the metallic. You can see that shining through. It's quite nice. And I've painted the edges in a navy blue. It's an MDF board on the back, so it has soaked in a bit, so I might still cover this with a clear coat of resin and go over the sides to make that pop a bit. Plus I have a little indentation here from where I overheated the resin, I would say. I don't know if you can see that little dent there. Yeah, but I'm very happy with this. So happy that I ordered some more of these canvases. I think I'd love to be able to sell some of these because I think they're really pretty, and I want to try some different colors, some neutrals with some metallics, you know, sort of maybe some marbly effects. Yeah, so that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.